So since the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario, I am sure you guys want to find out what is next, in which trend duration the price in the medium short term and even for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. If that is the case, then please do not skip this video. Watch this video till the end and destroy that like button now, not at the end. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, as we are aware, Bitcoin is breaking out from the support from this ascending channel. This ascending channel lower trend line acted as a strong line of support in the past price action, which also resulted in a bullish move. I mean, each and every time whenever we tested the support from this rising trend line, the lower trend line, we saw a very nice bullish move playing out in price action of Bitcoin. But if you look at it carefully, you can see this support has been broken and price has also failed to re-enter inside this channel, resulting in a bearish move. So if this bearish continuation is going to continue, then we are aware, guys, according to this ascending channel, according to this rising channel, the next area of confluence could be somewhere around 65,000. Yes, guys, this 65,000 line could be retested before finding bottom, before starting with an actual bullish move, because we are aware, beside this bearish move, the price of Bitcoin has broken out of this rising wedge. Rising wedge is a bearish continuation pattern, but for us, the most important support is this here. I mean, price around 65,000. This trend line is not allowed to be broken, because breaking below this means the price of Bitcoin for the coming days could be slowly getting attracted towards the price objective from this rising wedge, which sits around 61,000. Yes, guys, to avoid this bearish move, we are not allowed to break below 65,000. Let's say 65,000 for now is one of the most important support for Bitcoin. And not just only this, even with the help of this leading indicator, because this indicator gives us information beforehand. And according to this CPR indicator for the month of November, we have printed an ascending CPR. I mean, this CPR line, top, central and the bottom CPR line, is higher than the month of October, which only happens during uptrend. So if the price manages to remain above the CPR line, you can see the upcoming days for Bitcoin is still considered bullish. And according to this month of November, we could be getting attracted towards the first target, the monthly arrow line, which sits around 76,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. This arrow line, since the price is printed and ascending CPR, will be looked as our upcoming target. But please be aware, if the price breaks the support around 65,000, around that range, then in that case we will be breaking below the CPR line, which could be triggering another sell-off towards this monthly S1 line. Monthly R1 line is our bullish target. Monthly S1 line is our bearish target. But since the price of Bitcoin is above this November CPR, we are going to focus in this bullish target. I mean, the price could be getting attracted towards this 76,000, and only after that start with another continuation like this. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that price remaining above 65,000 means we are going to look this as a bullish continuation pattern. And not just only this, even if you look at this Williams alligator indicator, according to this Williams alligator indicator, we are still holding above 65,000. And we know during uptrend, this Williams alligator indicator tends to act as support. I mean, each and every pullback you can see during uptrend has resulted in some very bullish move, because the price found support, right? Because the price found support over this Williams alligator indicator. In our case, this is also a bullish Williams alligator indicator, and any sort of a pullback will be looked as a temporary pullback, because we have seen price getting attracted towards the CPR, this Williams alligator indicator trend line before continuing with this uptrend. So as long as the price remains above 65,000, this here will be looked as a bullish continuation pattern, despite the bearish crossover what we are witnessing here now. MACD, yes guys, MACD in a daily time frame has turned bearish, but RSI line is still holding over 50. So as soon as this RSI line starts dropping below 50 and MACD remains bearish, then we have to be careful, because that means the price of Bitcoin could come back to test some of the key line of support to the downside, and only after that decide an actual trend duration. So that means RSI dropping below 50 could be triggering another sell-off, which could bring the price of Bitcoin back towards this 65,000 before choosing an actual trend duration. Because if 65,000 support gets broken, you know what's going to happen? This monthly S1 line will be attracting us, which sits around 61,000, and that means the price is also going to play out following this rising wedge with the price actually in between 60,000 61,000. So to avoid this bearish move, the price of Bitcoin is not allowed to break below 65,000. And why 65,000? Because you can see around that area, we also have the lower band from this Bollinger Band. Yes, guys, this lower band is also looked as a support for Bitcoin. And we know lower band gets tested during downtrend. But in our case, this lower band could be acting as support. And we might see a squeeze in this Bollinger Band. Yes, guys, I personally think we might see a squeeze in Bollinger Band before an actual trend duration gets chosen. But I strongly believe that this here, right, this bullish continuation will be favoring the longs if the price remains above 65,000. And now, even in a bigger time frame, you can see descending channel, bull flag, falling channel, doesn't matter whatever you call it. But if you look at the weekly candle carefully, the weekly is still above this upper trend line, and this upper trend line in the past price action acted as a strong line of resistance for Bitcoin, and now the same trend line is expected to act as support. So price remaining above 65,000 means we are also going to remain above this upper trend line, which could be looked as a retest before continuing with this actual bullish move. So even in a bigger picture, you can see the price of Bitcoin is not allowed to break below 65,000, because breaking below 65,000 means this rising wedge scenario will be on the line, and price could be getting attracted towards the first bearish target for the month of November, which is around 61,000. So to avoid this bearish move, we are not allowed to break below 65,000. So you can see, guys, looking the different time frame, looking the different scenarios, price remaining above 65,000 means we are still bullish. But once this 65,000 support gets broken, then we have to monitor this as a bearish continuation pattern with price objective in between 60,000 61,000. But this trend, I mean this move, what we are witnessing here also is related to the US election. I mean, the ongoing election in the US is definitely going to add more volatility, so please be prepared. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, which is giving around 30,000 in bonus, Phemex 6,000 bonus, 50,000 in rewards from OKX, then please check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.